Hi guys, Velian here, VSD. Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for watching my videos. If you're new here, you might consider to subscribe to my channel in case you like the content, and I can show you very quickly how you can do this. Go on my YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button there and make sure that you hit the notification bell and press all. Every time I post a new video, you'll get notified and then you have the chance to be among one of the first commenters. But now back on the topic of the video, because you might have seen already the title. It's been a while. I made a video about the Arnova Google camera mods, one of the most beloved mods out there, because Arnova is just one of the main GCam modders, and just people love his work. And because it's been a while, I'm doing this video right now. This has been released very recently, I think actually yesterday. And just take a look here, guys. That's the changelog. It's a text provided by the developer himself. Lots of fixes for this version to work perfectly. I will repeat that one. Lots of fixes for this version to work perfectly. It's one of my best and most stable version for all OnePlus, from OnePlus 0 to OnePlus 8 Pro, the Zenfone 6, the NS7 Pro, Samsung S20 Ultra, of course running Snapdragon. This version has been tested with the stock ROM on Lineageos OS, can be used on our devices but does not benefit from optimization. This version has a huge changelog but already mentioned on other mods. So guys, we might as well consider this to be like the crown, the golden version for the GCam 7.3. And as you know, Google already released the GCam 7.4 and people with Pixel devices out there can benefit from some of the new things. But okay, going back to the 7.3, and let's take a look at this huge changelog before I install this latest GCam 7.3 by Arnova, and of course I have also an XML for it. So we have here HDR plus off and on, okay, it's okay. And we have here something called instantaneous HDR, which is also okay. And this is actually an HDR between ZSL, which is zero shutter lag, HDR on, and HDR enhanced. So guys, this is like using ZSL between HDR plus on and HDR plus enhanced. So all the format ratio works like for the 3:16:9. Motion photos are okay. Google Photos crash with some pictures sometimes. Videos are very short. Timer is okay. RAW is okay. Bug on OnePlus 7 with all areas. I'm not sure, guys. If somebody can test this out, please. Just so apparently RAW now also works. Burst or quick video okay. Flash off. Auto or force, it's all okay. Force HDR plus off, it's also okay. Face retouching doesn't work, but who needs that anyway? Portrait mode. Rear, front, okay. Night sight, night is okay. Astro is okay. Astro Max timer, a lot of guys are asking. Astro Max timer could be either auto or 30 seconds, 60 seconds or 2 minutes. Slow motion 1 to 4, 1 to 8 works on all devices. Yeah, let's see. I mean, I've been testing the slow motion, it was not great. Video, okay, now setting not available on front camera, but you can go up to 4K, and then you have this like 24 sweet FPS mode for like a more cinematic effect, which I tested in one of my previous videos. Pixel binning okay, 12, 48 megapixel, it's okay for devices that can or go with S demands. 48 megapixel fix, okay, requires Magis, requires a rooted phone. Right, then we have the Aux Mode, guys, works up to 5 lenses. But then again, guys, if you want to use the Aux Mode, meaning like the telecamera or the macro one or whatever lens you have, you need to use the Aux model, which means you have to have a routed phone. Okay, and then we have lip aperture. Okay, lip aperture, we pretty much knew about that. Guys, without any further ado, let me just remove my previous GCam, right? So let's go to App Info here, for stop, then let's go storage and cache, clear storage, go back, select here uninstall, and with that said and no further ado, like I promised, guys, let's just go directly and install this beauty. Okay, GCam final version as of today, for now, created by the renowned developer Arnova. Okay, I'm installing that one, guys, and I do also have a nameless release XML working only on 77 Pro phones. Okay, so I will just also save this. If you don't know how to use XMLs, I'm gonna teach you how, guys. So you need to cut the XML file, you need to go to internal storage, and you pretty much should be able to see a folder called the GCam. Now, if you don't have the folder GCam, just please create it, and then inside create another folder called configs7. Then inside, guys, you just paste it, and then we have the Arnova nameless 21 test. And okay, with that said, guys, let's try to run the new camera. Just putting it on my desktop and running it for the very first time. Boom. Allow camera to take pictures, of course, allow using location, press allow. and then just go to settings, guys, and I always do this, okay? Just go here, learn more. Indeed, this is the very latest GCam build 5.2, build 7.3, based on Google Camera 7.3. Okay, now guys, how can we enable the XML? Just double tap somewhere here at this area, and then guys, you can go select it and then press update, and then boom, the camera should now reload and all the settings should already been tweaked. Let's just see some settings here. First, in the main settings on the camera, okay, we have the flash, we have the HDR like standard, no HDR, HDR plus, HDR enhanced. Google Auto White Balance is to off. Image quality, we have motion timer, okay, pretty much the standard stuff. Let's go to nice side, check what we have there. All right, astrophotography on and off. Extra max time could be either automatic or like short, average, and long. I think it's like 30 seconds, 90 and 2 minutes. So let's go for auto here. And let's go guys in the settings and just see if we can spot something new. Save location, I always choose this to on. No camera sounds. Google Lens suggestions, maybe we can put this on. Frame hit is okay. Save, selfies previewed, social share off. Very happy that developers put this by default. Gestures, the grid type, the frequent faces. Now let's go to advanced. Short dirty lens warning, I always set it to on. Of course, HDR control, that's what we want. And here is one of the new settings. Use instantaneous HDR plus enhance. Deactivate HDR plus and use pixels for HDR enhance permanently. Quality may be different than regular HDR enhance. Yeah, okay, I will go for that, why not? And then we have RAW and JPEG control. Show manual control for RAW and JPEG. Whoever wants to try this, please let me know if it works. We know that there is a bug on the OnePlus 7, so it's probably going to be the same for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you want to store videos efficiently using the H.265 or the HEVC codec, then just enable that one. Let's now go back, okay? Photo resolution full, video. Ultra high resolution 4K, ultra high resolution for the time lapse, optical video stabilization and video stabilization. The difference here is this is the optical one using the OIS and the video one is using the electronic image stabilization. Alright guys, I think we are all set and we can do some test pictures, alright? Let's just see how this camera behaves. I have these nice colors here. So let's just see here what I have. Okay, I have HDR enhanced, but we know that this is the instantaneous version. So let me just do a picture. Okay. Yes. Google camera. Oh my god. Always the best, guys. You see these vibrant colors, you see the focus. I have something else here. Boom. Let's try to do a picture of this. I mean, am I a real YouTuber if I don't have a flower or like something like this here on the plate? I don't think so. Let's try to do a picture of that. Okay. Now, alright. Take some time to proceed. Jesus. Very nice. Details, focus, everything is there. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's do a picture of my favorite gamepad. Yeah, all right. Hands shaking. Picture good or bad? Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, you can see the level of details. I mean, it is, yeah, it's just stunning, you know. Let's test the slow motion to just see if it's a slideshow or not. I rather think it is, but okay, just that, oh, all right, okay. Yeah, well, no, this kind of like was expected. So let's just go back again here to slow motion. So 1/4 should be apparently working, probably not on all devices. Okay, now I get it working. All right, let's see, I'm just waving my hand here and we pretty much expect to see something like a slideshow. Okay, now I get it. All right, okay, so don't use this. I mean, it's just, this is not good, okay. But guys, besides this, I think this has been really everything new into the latest Google Camera 7.3 by Arnova. And again, we can consider this just to be like the golden build because a lot of fixes have been implemented. Pictures should be all okay. Please test this and leave your comments without down this video. And don't forget to come back to my channel, right? And because I also throw things at the end of my videos, I'm just gonna throw this one. VST over and bye.